Hello everyone, welcome to another Roblox game development tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to make our first level. It should be a quick tutorial because it really won't be that hard. It's mostly going to be simple design as we ask people to answer the question, what is 2 plus 2? So we're going to go to our level 1 frame, and we're actually going to have to make level 1, we'll just go to that. Make it visible real quick. And let's change the background because, let's face it, a bright white background like that is really annoying and really bright. But it doesn't necessarily have to be gray either. So I'm going to go with some crazy-ish color. So we're going to go from gray to some kind of yellow. A little bit darker than that. There we go. I'm going to go with that. You guys can, of course, choose whatever color you want. And now I'm going to go over here. Whoa. Hypercam glitched. Alright. Next up. What the heck? Alright. Enter, get a text label. This text label will be named question. And we will just let it cover the whole thing, basically. 1 and 0.4. There we go. Now, of course, we're going to make the background completely invisible. And now, we'll change this to 2 plus 2 equals. Change the text. Actually, keep the text color the same right now. There we go. Alright. Now, change the text color to 200. And change the text stroke transparency to 0. And if we kind of click out, that actually looks kind of nice, sort of elegant-ish. Not really. I'm going to change the font to Arial Bold. And I'm going to change the font size to 48, which I know won't change anything unless I take out text scaled. It was already at 48. Okay. There we go. That looks good. Next up, we'll insert a couple little text buttons. Stop glitching like that. Keeps showing part of my desktop, which I know I have 2 monitors, but it shouldn't be switching over there. Anyway, so we'll position this one at 0.2, 0.5. Make it 0.2 by 0.1. And we don't want to be boring and use the ROBLOX default, so we're going to go with another weird color, just pure red for this one. No background. I don't like backgrounds. We're going to have text scaled for all of them, and let's change the text color on this to 200. 200, okay, and change this to 0. There we go. You can see the button. We're going to give a weird number. We're going to put in 4. There we go. Or not 4, sorry. We'll put it in 5. There we go, the number 5. And we're not actually going to name this one because it doesn't matter. And we're going to change this one. We're going to move it to 0.6. That way everything's centered. And we're going to change its background color to some other crazy color. Let's go with this weird green. That looks good. And we'll change this one to be 4, like that. Copy, paste. We'll make this one's color kind of pinkish, because we can. And we'll move this to 0.2 and 0.7. And we'll change this one to 4 this is going to be the correct answer. And then copy this again, paste it. Move this down to 0.7, change its background again. And we'll go with this yellow here. Actually, no, the background's yellow, so that's too close. Blue. We haven't done any blues. There we go. And now change its text to be something like, I don't know, 7. There. No, I don't like... Yeah, 7 will work. 7. And now incorrect, we're just going to make a quick script. Where is it? There's script. And you guys know the drill. Script.parent.mouse button 1 click. Oops, click. Connect function. And script.parent.parent script.parent.parent.parent. It's in the player, as you remember. So script.parent. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parents. That's number 4, 5. And I actually forgot. Okay, we're calling it level.value. Okay, level.value equals 2. Because we know that. But an easier way so that we can use this script more often, copy and paste, +1. Just like that. And just so it doesn't do that line wrapping thing so annoyingly, we'll do that. Close. F6 to test it, which it actually worked for once. I'm surprised. And, well, it's not supposed to be, hold on. One problem is that we did that. Now, when we run this, or we didn't change this to invisible. When we run this, even when we click here, 4, nothing, 7, nothing, 5, nothing. But when we click this 4, which is the right answer, we're going to get an error. And the reason for that is because there is no level 2. But that's okay, we can create level 2 later. We know that that error was supposed to come. But at least we know the scripts all work. Besides the fact it's erroring right now, but that's our own fault and we know exactly why. So, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like or dislike button corresponding to how you felt about this video. And I'll catch you guys later.